To clone apps on the Samsung Galaxy A07, we're going to start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and here find security and privacy. When you open it, look for the more security settings, and then create your secure folder. If you haven't done that already, all you have to do here is click on secure folder, continue throughout the setup. It takes some time to create it, but after that you'll be able to choose a password that you will use to unlock it. When this is done, all you have to do is go back, open your app drawer or look for secure folder on your home screen, click on it, and then it should pop open. You might need to unlock it first. Then when your secure folder is opened, you can click on this plus button and then add any apps that you want to clone. So in this case, I've already cloned the Chrome that I wanted to show you the example of. So now you can see the Chrome right here, and I also have Chrome in my system right here. So if I open this Chrome, I will go for a Facebook. As you can see, the Facebook is open for this Chrome, and then if I go for my secure folder right here and open the Chrome again, it will be a different instance of Chrome. It has YouTube open instead of the Facebook, and I think we should even see that if we open the running apps in the background. And this is the Chrome with Facebook, and this is the Chrome with Facebook, and this is the Chrome that we've cloned with YouTube. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.